There are two ways to get to your library account from the home page of our search platform. The first option is to scroll down to the Welcome to the Library area of the page and click the Go to My Library card button. The other option is on the upper right of your screen. You'll see a circle with an icon of a person, which you can click to open a menu. There is a Sign In option here, as well as a My Library Activity tab, and ways to see your saved records, search history, and saved searches. For now, we'll pick Sign In, which gives us a login using box with the options NDUS and Community. If you have an NDUS account through VCSU, you'll use the NDUS login, while members of the Valley City community use the Community login. Choosing the NDUS login will take you to an authentication page where you'll use the firstname.lastname part of your VCSU email and the same password you use for Blackboard, Outlook, or any other NDUS account to log in. Once you're signed in, the icon in the upper right will show your initials, and you can use the My Library Activity option to see your account. The overview page of your library account shows any items you currently have checked out, along with their due dates, as well as any holds or interlibrary loans on your account, and any possible fines or fees you may have accumulated. You can also see any books, articles, or other items you've saved, your recent search history, and saved searches that you might want to go back to later. You can also access our library chat by clicking the chat bubbles in the upper right corner of your screen.